Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm, ever since Bitcoin was launched in 2009. People are curious about what cryptocurrency mining is, how it works, and whether or not it is profitable. In this script, we will cover the basics of cryptocurrency mining, the technical process, and its profitability. Part 1. What is cryptocurrency mining? Cryptocurrency mining refers to the process of verifying transactions on the blockchain network in exchange for a reward in the form of digital coins. This is done by using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that help to secure the network. In a blockchain network, transactions are verified by multiple miners, and each time a block is successfully verified, new coins are created and awarded to the miner that solved the problem. Part 2. How does cryptocurrency mining work? To participate in cryptocurrency mining, one must have a computer with powerful hardware that can perform the necessary computations. Miners use specialized software that connects their computers to the blockchain network, where they compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first miner to solve the puzzle is rewarded with newly created coins. This process is also known as proof of work, POW, consensus algorithm. Each cryptocurrency has a unique mining algorithm, and some are easier or harder to mine than others. Bitcoin, for example, is considered to be one of the hardest cryptos to mine due to high competition and the increasing difficulty of the mathematical puzzle. Other less popular coins might be easier to mine, but can also be less profitable. Part 3. Is cryptocurrency mining still profitable? Cryptocurrency mining can be very profitable, provided that you have the right hardware and software to do it efficiently. However, mining profitability is affected by several factors, including the cost of electricity, mining difficulty, coin price, and competition. As the competition for mining increases, the difficulty of the mathematical puzzles also increases, resulting in increased requirements of computing power. Therefore, it is crucial to have the right hardware to earn a profit from mining. Another factor to consider is electricity cost. Running a mining rig requires a lot of electricity, and electricity cost varies depending on your location. High electricity costs could reduce profits or even cause losses. Lastly, cryptocurrency prices are notoriously volatile, and the value of coins can fluctuate dramatically. These fluctuations can have a significant impact on mining profitability. Sudden drops in the cryptocurrency value can cause mining operations to be unprofitable. Conclusion: cryptocurrency mining is a complex process that requires powerful hardware and specialized software. It is still profitable for some people, but several factors such as electricity costs, mining difficulty, and coin price can impact profitability. If you are interested in cryptocurrency mining, be sure to conduct proper research and invest in the right hardware and software to ensure profitability. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.